Hi everyone, in today's video I will show you how to use man pages on Linux. So in order to do it, of course, we have to go into our terminal. So I will go into show apps, and right here I will press on terminal. And now I will tell you what exactly are man pages, because man pages are a built-in documentation that we can use. For example, for comments, for tools, for system calls, for some configuration files, if we don't know how to use them basically. So for example, if we have a comment list, it's really simple, but we don't know what options we can use. We can use man pages to list all options with a description. So it's really helpful, and I will show you how does it look like, because the syntax is pretty simple. We have to type in basically man, so man, and right here a comment. So I will show you this on the list command, and as you can see, maybe I will make it a little bit bigger. We have all the options that list command can use. We can scroll it by scroll on my or by scroll wheel on the mouse, or by the page up and page down keys on the keyboard. And what we can check here, we can check, for example, I will show you some popular options that you can know. So for example, ls-l, use a long listing format. It's very important. It is small l, because large l if you basically does something different. For example, -r shows us in the reverse order while sorting, and that's basically how can you use it. We can also search for things right here. So how to search for things? We have to press first of all a slash button on our keyboard, so that's this, and right here we can type in the word that we want to find. So for example, reverse, we had a reverse before, so reverse, and press enter, and as you can see, we found reverse. That's only one reverse in this file, so I will not show you how to scroll that, because we have to change the word. Basically, we can type in, for example, sort, and you have a lot of words with sorts. You can basically scroll that by pressing N on your keyboard. So if I press N, it will jump to another sort. If I press N again, it will jump to this sort, and so on, so on. As you can see, this sort, right here, this, and that's basically how this works. And how can we again use that? Again, how can we not use that, but again quit that? Right here we can press enter, and to quit that we can press Q button on this keyboard. As you can see, H for help, Q for quit. We can also press H. As you can see, there is a lot of information, so you can read that. Return means enter, so it's enter, and Q when done, so it's Q and Q. And we can use another options. It is man -k, and right here we have to type in keyword. Keyword might be everything basically. For example, maybe remove. If you write something like this, man -k remove, it will show us all comments that has remove in its description. So for example, cut, remove sections for each line of files, remove a file or directory, and as you can see, so on. rm, remove files or directories. For example, we can use man -k copy, and we have only comments with a copy in its description. So for example, mem copy memory area, a simple copy, this one that we use very often, copy files and directories, and that's basically how does it work. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe to the channel, and I hope to see you in the next videos.